Hi folks, Ads here from Herman's RV Holidays, and this is 3 Minute Thursday. Now 3 Minute Thursday is when I discuss some subject for 3 minutes, and today's subject is going to be how to choose a motorhome. So what I'm not going to tell you is what you should go and buy, but what I will tell you is to go out there and look for motorhomes, sit in them, stand in them, walk around in them. The best places to do this are motorhome shows. Take a look around, have a gander, wander around in them, get a feel of what you like. Also, how about renting them? Go on a week holiday with one. Could be expensive at first, but you're going to thoroughly enjoy it. You're going to get out there, you're going to try some motorhomes. Win-win really. So there you are, you're sitting in someone's motorhome and you're wondering, oh, is this for us? I think there's a number of things you need to look for. First of all, how many of you are going, and is this motorhome big enough for you? Are there enough beds to sleep your whole family, and can your whole family sit around the dining area where all the seats are most likely to be? One thing I've noticed with some RVs, not all, but seat belts. Now it might be able to sleep 6 people, and there might be 6 seats, 2 at the front, maybe 4 around the dining area, but there might only be 2 seat belts in the dining area. Are the ceilings too low? If you're tall like me, I'm 6 foot, I'm wandering around, am I going to be crinking my neck every so often? Am I going to hit my head on that roof light or that light? The other thing I look out for are steps. Am I going to need to walk up into the lounge area? Am I going to trip over that? And when I do walk into the area, is the ceiling high enough? Am I going to hit my head on the roof light? That kind of thing. Okay, so one important thing I should mention is, imagine yourself, it's pitch black, it's nighttime, you're in bed. Can you get out of bed and wander up to the toilet in the middle of the night? Can you do that? Do you think you'll be able to do that? Now in our motorhome, we have to go down steps. Is that going to be difficult for you? Some, it's quite easy, just pop out of bed, straight in there, no problem at all. Talking to the bathroom, are you happy with the size? Some bathrooms are combined toilet and shower and sink, so therefore when you're having a shower, all the toilet and the sink are getting wet. Do you mind that? Is it a problem? Don't know. Or would you prefer a much larger bathroom and the shower and the toilet and the sink separate? So moving along to the kitchen. Does it have an oven? Do you want an oven? Does it have a microwave? Do you need a microwave? Microwaves are fairly simple to put in, so that's probably not a problem. Then there's the hob. Are there enough rings? Herman's got 3, which is pretty good. Some though only have 1. What about the sink? Can you imagine yourself standing there? Is it high enough? Do you have enough space to do the washing up and the drying up? Then of course there's storage. Now you're going to have lots of things to take with you. You've got clothing, and of course if you're in England or even Europe, clothing could equate to clothes for cold weather as well as and wet weather as well as sunny weather, so you might want to take combinations of both. Do you have enough storage to hold all those clothes for the whole family? Then you might want to take with you outside lounge chairs or a table so you can sit outside in the nice glorious sunshine. Does the motorhome have an awning, or do you want to be able to take a tent awning? Does it have storage for those things? And I think the final thing I would have to say about choosing a motorhome is driving it. Can you imagine yourself driving that size motorhome? In England, the roads can get quite narrow. Is that a problem for you? Also, where is the steering wheel? Is it right-hand drive or is it left-hand drive? If it's left-hand drive, are you going to be doing lots of touring in Europe? Or otherwise, you might probably want to stick to a right-hand drive. Driving in Europe in right-hand drive is fairly simple, so probably not something you want to worry about. Then of course, depending on the size, depending on your license, are you licensed to drive the size of that motorhome? On a normal license, you're allowed to drive in UK a 3.5 ton vehicle. Anything heavier than that, then you need a different category license. Or maybe the motorhome is actually a van conversion, therefore you're not going to have any problems with licensing. And it's going to be very easy to drive around the narrow streets of Cornwall, say. So thank you very much for watching 3 Minute Thursday. I've been Ads, and if you think that I've missed anything out or you have an opinion of something, please put in the comments below. And until next time, thank you very much for watching and goodbye. Just look at the setup that I've just been recording. It's my own little studio here in my hotel room. Got my monitor there, this is what I was seeing on the screen. My camera just there with the microphone. 1, 2, 3, 4 lights.